The other day, while browsing the internet gremlins delivered to me a very interesting find by accident. Instead of using these crystal earphones like this, I found an excellent substitute. It's electromagnetic. Let me just show it to you. Get it out here. It's electromagnetic. It is used in hearing aids, in the very old style hearing aids. It is extremely efficient. It's extremely high impedance. Normally, I would say do not use an electromagnetic earphone because they basically don't work. This is the one exception I have found in many years of exploring. You can use it with a resistor across the wires, just like we do in the designs that I've put out there for the last, 10 years or so. And you can also, it seems, use it with a capacitor across it. I've tried both work. I personally am going to stick with a resistor. Let's see, what else? The price is the only drawback I have seen. They range, people are out there selling them from $1.50 upwards of over $20. So, yeah, they all seem to be the same thing, delivered by the same company. I will put this label out there, but it is the manufacturer is the Shanghaigongjingmaoyi Company Limited. So, yeah, again, I'll put the sticker out there. I'll put all the pertinent information in the description, of course. And yeah, that's about it. Oh, one other thing I should mention. The really cheap ones are oftentimes sold without the wire. You definitely want the wire because they come with these little plugs on them. Yeah, some of them are actually sold without the earpiece too. So make sure you're getting the whole shebang there. And otherwise, yeah, I think it's a really excellent choice. The pitch is a little bit lower than the piezos, but very acceptable. Okay, well, I hope you found that useful and interesting in your DIY crystal radio experimentation and building.